from the buds of the tea leaf is also available. You can now go down to the manufacturing area and see the machines. You could also taste our tea and buy teas you like from the sales counter below. Thank you. Welcome to the tea factory. The process of tea manufacture consists of several stages. The first stage is withering, which means removal of moisture. The leaf is spread on the withering troughs and high velocity fans blow air through the leaf, whereby 30% of moisture is removed. The withered leaf is then passed through a tube to the rotor vane below. The rotor vane is a machine which crushes and squeezes the leaf. The leaf coming out of the rotor vane then enters the CTC machines. CTC means cutting, turning and curling. These machines, which are 5 in number, have sharp rollers on them. They cut, turn and curl the leaf.
ఇదిగో ప్యాకెట్స్ జల్లెడ అవుతుంది. అక్కడ ప్యాకింగ్ అవుతున్నాయి చూడు. వస్తున్నా